So, iningi lethu lazi izangoma either from TV noma mhlambe sikhona isangoma nawuhlala ngakhona, or you've actually visited one. We all know ukuthi banalesa sikhwama lesiya, right? Lesa sikhwama where they put all the it's called a reading set. They put the reading set yabo ngaphakathi and then they shake it, you blow it, squeeze and pansy, and those contents are particularly interesting. So they've got things like bones, stones, amadais, shells, cartilage, and somehow gune plastic bottle cap lapho. But the one item I want to ask about is dominoes. How? Where? Like, and it's always one or two, ne? Maybe maximum 3 nyana. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi from umuntu owaziyo, how do they actually purchase these dominoes? So do they actually go somewhere and buy the whole box and then just take a few and leave the box eceleni, maybe share it with the other colleagues? Where do they actually get the dominoes? The other items I can understand where you get those. They're quite easily accessible. I just want to know, where do the dominoes get purchased or come from? And maybe someone who understands can tell us what the different items in that bag mean, particularly the dominoes, and what kind of reading it produces for the consultants. Let's all find out. Dogozo, strong independent woman of color, the multifaceted one.